Today, Business Standard News. The markets on Wednesday. Sensex 40,794.7, 169.2 up. Nifty 11,971 up 36.5. Nifty futures 11,982.3, 11.2. Dollars 73.3, 73.4. Euro 86.1, 86.5. Brent crude 2, 42.0, 41.2. Gold 50,424. This also up. Now present one cell phone. Take two. Travel gains momentum but with caution. Back page number 16. Travel gains momentum. Thus, that shares coming days become high. Now, present is travels running. Unlock start today. Cinema theaters also running runs to 50%. Misri opens new front against Tata's. SP Group wants to Tata project to be disqualified for Parliament redevelopment project. Now this is the Tata against XCO group. Virus tracker COVID claims 730 lives in 24 hours. Total 7,000 7239389 active cases and recovered details. Now AG not in favor of appealing against Veda arbitration award. Infosys outshines revivals with quarter 2 numbers. Strong quarter. Now Tata Steel is in talks to buy 20% stake in a big basket. Bharat Biotech cuts phase 2 trial size by half. Now pandemic shock for forced me to exist retail business biryani. Government plan to implement labor codes from April 1. GST shortfall TN becomes 21st state to pick option 1. Loans moratorium implement interest waivers soon. Ask SC. Supreme Court. Now this is the leverage travel gains momentum but with caution. Goa, Kerala, Maldives and Dubai among the popular destinations. SC asked government for speedy interest waivers on loans. The Supreme Court on Wednesday said the center should implement as soon as possible interest waivers on loans of up to 2 crores under the RBI Momentum Scheme in view of the COVID-19 pandemic, saying the common man's Diwali is in the government hands. Power centers, now you see this is the natural ferry uh, water flow. Floodwater gushes through the street following heavy rains in Hyderabad, Palaknama area on Wednesday. The city saw water logging in many parts, with as many as 15 people died. Hut, Hatsra's case, another reminder of the underutilized ni- Nirbhaya schemes. Delay and denial. Now present, this is the last page. Now going on middle page. A first Punjab plans bill to override new farm laws. Now Tata Steel Long Product Limited, Infosys outstains Mumbai Metro resume services on October 19th. Politics and public affairs now stop lemon tree hotels. Going on up 26 rupees, 29 rupees is going. Top top gainer among a group of stocks 26.3 previous close. Now SBI cards and payments going on uh, 890 hits upper circuit of 10% for consecutive to seasonal 129 point for previous close 142 close 10% up. MPHS hits for fresh all-time high at 1463 up to 52% in month. Now another BSC plus NSC stock board meetings also announced falling behind policy and this Nitish Kumar deconstructing after 20 years in waiting on Andre Hair. Repo India Limited leapfrogging the great fall of boycott. Debt accumulated after March 1 eligible for loan recast, says RBI. Proves to have short-term impact of start-up investment, says SIA. Shareholders of LVB divided on Clex deals. Muthoot Finance, another GST shortfall, TN 21st state to pick action 1. Now, Bharati ties up to with global firms kicks off on tech plan. Now present real estate firms give up margins up to push volumes. E-commerce sees 31% growth in orders in September quarter. The great consumer has sent. Namaste.